SIM cloning has become one of the most significant cybersecurity threats in 2026, affecting millions of people worldwide. As our lives become increasingly digital, the humble SIM card now holds the keys to our most sensitive information. From personal messages and emails to banking credentials and two-factor authentication codes, your SIM card is a treasure trove for cybercriminals. Today, we're pulling back the curtain and exposing the top tools hackers are using to clone SIM cards in 2026. These tools have evolved rapidly, becoming more sophisticated and accessible than ever before, making it easier for attackers to compromise your digital identity. Your SIM card is no longer just a chip for making calls or sending texts, it's the gateway to your entire digital life. Hackers know this, and that's why they target SIM cards to gain access to your bank accounts, private conversations, and even your social media profiles. The methods hackers use are constantly evolving, and the tools at their disposal are becoming more advanced every year. This makes SIM security not just a buzzword, but an absolute necessity for anyone who values their privacy and financial safety. In this chapter, we'll reveal the most powerful SIM cloning tools being used right now. We'll show you how these tools work, what makes them so effective, and why they're favored by hackers across the globe. I'll break down each tool's features, explain why they're so popular among cybercriminals, and most importantly, share practical tips on how you can protect yourself from falling victim to SIM cloning attacks. Let's dive in and arm ourselves with knowledge. First up, let's talk about SIM Explorer, often called the Swiss Army knife for SIM cards in the hacking world. This powerful tool is a must-have for anyone looking to dig deep into the secrets stored on SIM cards. Whether you're a security researcher, a penetration tester, or a cybercriminal, SIM Explorer offers a comprehensive suite of features that make it incredibly versatile and effective. With SIM Explorer, users can read, write, and analyze SIM data with ease. It's capable of extracting a wide range of sensitive information, including authentication keys, SMS messages, contact lists, and even hidden files that most people don't realize are stored on their SIM cards. This level of access can reveal personal conversations, stored credentials, and other private data, making it a goldmine for attackers. One of the standout features of SIM Explorer is its broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with virtually every type of SIM card out there, from older GSM cards to the latest 4G and 5G variants. This means hackers don't need to worry about running into unsupported formats. They can target almost any device, regardless of network or generation. For those looking to scale their attacks, SIM Explorer's batch processing feature is a game changer. Attackers can clone or manipulate dozens of SIM cards at once, making it ideal for large-scale operations like SIM swapping rings or mass data theft campaigns. This efficiency is what makes it so dangerous in the wrong hands. The tool's modular plugin system takes things even further. Users can install advanced plugins to unlock new capabilities, such as brute-forcing SIM pins, bypassing security locks, or extracting encrypted files that would otherwise be inaccessible. This flexibility allows hackers to customize their attacks for specific targets or challenges. What's more, SIM Explorer is regularly updated by its developers to stay ahead of the latest security patches and countermeasures. This means that even as mobile carriers and device manufacturers roll out new protections, SIM Explorer adapts quickly, ensuring hackers always have the upper hand. In the hands of a skilled attacker, SIM Explorer's versatility and raw power make it one of the most formidable threats to mobile security today. Its ability to unlock, manipulate, and exploit SIM cards at scale is why it's considered the ultimate tool in the hacker's arsenal. Magic SIM makes SIM cloning effortless. Just insert, run, and copy. Its hardware-software combo clones SIMs from different carriers, adjusting for regional differences automatically. Stealth mode keeps cloned SIMs undetected by telecom providers, letting attackers intercept calls and messages silently. Hackers love its simplicity and stealth, making it a go-to for digital identity theft. With a few clicks, attackers can take control, and victims may never know. That's the real magic. Mobile Edit Forensic, built for investigators, is now a hacker favorite. It extracts everything: contacts, authentication keys, even deleted messages. Its detailed reports help attackers map out a victim's digital life. Mobile Edit clones SIMs with precision, fully impersonating users and bypassing security checks. It can also inject new data, creating nearly undetectable clones. Its power and flexibility make it a double-edged sword. Both security pros and hackers keep it close. SIM Cloner X brings SIM cloning to everyone with its simple interface. No coding needed. Just plug in, follow prompts, and clone. Its optimized algorithms make cloning fast and thorough, even for multiple cards. Built-in error checking reduces faulty clones and logs every action for refinement. It supports everything from legacy to 5G SIMs. SIM Cloner X is the tool for quick, hassle-free cloning. SIM Master is for those who want total control over SIM cloning. Its scripting engine automates complex tasks like extracting encrypted keys or brute-forcing PINs. Hackers can target specific vulnerabilities and bypass multi-factor authentication. The tool's documentation and active user community help both newcomers and experts push boundaries. SIM Master's customization makes it especially dangerous in skilled hands. It's the advanced operator's weapon of choice. Card Reader Pro works with nearly every SIM card, making it a universal hacker tool. It extracts vital info, IMSI numbers, keys, contacts, across all carriers and regions. Advanced decoding bypasses new security protections, even on encrypted SIMs. Its intuitive interface and detailed logs help hackers refine their approach. Fast, reliable, and scalable, Card Reader Pro is essential for large-scale operations. Compatibility and speed are its biggest strengths. SIMScan is a powerful tool designed specifically to uncover and exploit vulnerabilities hidden within SIM cards. In the world of mobile security, SIM cards are often overlooked, but they can be a goldmine for attackers if not properly protected. SIMScan dives deep into the architecture of SIM cards, searching for weak points that could be leveraged by cybercriminals. Its advanced algorithms are capable of identifying even subtle flaws that might escape traditional security checks. It meticulously scans for weak encryption protocols, outdated security measures, and any misconfigurations that could leave a SIM card exposed. Once these vulnerabilities are detected, SIMScan generates detailed reports that highlight exactly where the exploitable flaws are, making it easier for attackers to understand the risks. Hackers rely on these comprehensive reports to plan highly targeted attacks. With this information, they can clone SIM cards, bypassing most authentication checks and gaining unauthorized access to sensitive data or communication channels. This level of insight gives attackers a significant advantage. What sets SIMScan apart is its fully automated and highly efficient process. The tool is constantly updated to adapt to new security measures, ensuring it remains effective even as protections evolve. This means it can quickly identify and exploit the latest vulnerabilities as soon as they appear. After cloning, SIMScan rigorously tests the duplicated cards to ensure they function just like the originals. This step is crucial for attackers who want to remain undetected while using the cloned SIMs for malicious purposes. For cybercriminals, SIMScan has become the go-to solution for vulnerability-driven SIM cloning, offering a streamlined workflow from discovery to exploitation. Its ability to stay ahead of security patches and adapt to new defenses is what truly makes SIMScan a formidable tool in the hands of attackers. Multisim lets hackers manage multiple SIM profiles on one device. Switch between identities seamlessly. No need to swap cards. Import, export, and merge SIM data for sophisticated attacks. Handles encrypted profiles and ensures smooth switching without detection. For flexible, anonymous operations, Multisim is a must-have. It's the tool for juggling digital identities. SIM Card Editor gives hackers direct access to a SIM's file system. Clone, modify, or inject data with a straightforward interface. Change security codes, update keys, or add malicious data for advanced attacks. Step-by-step cloning with verification ensures perfect copies. Basic scripting support automates repetitive tasks. Flexibility and control make SIM Card Editor a hacker favorite. SIM Card Editor gives hackers direct access to a SIM's file system. Clone, modify, or inject data with a straightforward interface. Change security codes, update keys, or add malicious data for advanced attacks. Step-by-step cloning with verification ensures perfect copies. Basic scripting support automates repetitive tasks. Flexibility and control make SIM Card Editor a hacker favorite. GSM SIM utility is optimized for cloning SIMs on GSM networks worldwide. Lightweight and fast, it extracts only the critical data needed for authentication. It excels with legacy SIMs, making it valuable in less secure markets. Regular updates keep it effective against new encryption and protections. For rapid, global attacks, GSM SIM utility is the tool of choice. SIM-EMU focuses on emulation, letting hackers create virtual SIMs, run multiple clones on one device, or test attacks in a safe virtual environment. Supports all SIM types, including eSIMs, and allows quick data tweaks. Emulation helps bypass restrictions, spoof identities, and intercept communications. Pre-configured templates make it accessible to all skill levels. For testing and real attacks, SIM-EMU is indispensable. SIMCon is designed for ease, clean interface, clear instructions, minimal setup. Built-in error checking and instant feedback ensure functional clones. Rapid cloning makes it ideal for time-sensitive operations. Advanced options are available for those who need customization. SIMCon brings powerful cloning to everyone, from beginners to pros. Good design meets hacker utility. SIMCopier is built for speed and reliability, perfect for large-scale cloning. Plug-and-play design and streamlined software ensure quick, accurate results. Robust construction handles heavy use, and logs help refine techniques. Supports all SIM types, from 5G to legacy cards. For serious cloners, SIMCopier is a must-have.